All right, we just walked through security. Probably shouldn't film security, they might get mad. We are gonna grab dinner before we stroll into the park. And it's almost raining. Walk around here, Kate. We're gonna go to Margaritaville. Jimmy Buffett. Not to be confused with Marijuanaville that he sued and won. It's like one of my favorite restaurants. I always go here when I'm here. Margaritas to go are closed. So disappointing. Alright, welcome in everybody, Universal Studios. Look at this, Halloween Horror Nights. You guys see the sign, that's the giant Universal globe and the Halloween Horror Nights welcome sign. That's where we go in, and it's the three of us. 1, 2, and I make 3. We're gonna go in and get scared. Everybody gonna get scared, right?
No.
No? Scared? Are you scared yet?
Tiny bit.
Tiny bit, okay. Alright, welcome back guys to the channel, and sometimes we have to have a little bit of fun. That is what we do for fun at Halloween in Florida. We come to Universal Studios, check it out. This is the main gate, Halloween Horror Nights 2018. This is the 27th year. They got Halloween 4, Stranger Things, Poltergeist, Trick or Treat, The Purge, and Michael Myers that's gonna be inside. Look at the front gate, look at the line already piling up. We're about 20 minutes before 6 o'clock. Look at the people waiting to get in. Check it out. Look at that line. We gotta get in line, ladies. All right, we're inside. Are you scared yet? Are you scared yet? Look at the haunted G.I. Joe man. He's cool. Look, the good guys with Chucky.
That's right, they deserved it.
The good guys. Look at this cool guy.
What, baby?
Costume is badass. I like that. Look guys, this haunted house is in Barneyland. It says thanks for coming to play. You want to see the scariest thing you'll see in all of Universal Halloween Horror Nights? It is Barney. There's nothing scarier than the purple singing dinosaur. Whatever haunted house we're about to walk into cannot compete with that guy, ever. All right, we're going inside trick or treat. We can only record out here. Check that. going inside. We got to put it away, but there it is. One of my favorite cars in the history of cars. Most collectible cars ever, the DeLorean, the Time Machine. Back to the Future, the original. Check it out. All right, into Springfield. Welcome to the world of Homer Simpson. Krusty Burger. We're in Men in Black. Look at these little guys. Walking up to MIB headquarters. Into MIB. Big Will.
Yeah, right. One of our biggest hoaxers. These bogus film clips were created by the MIB with the sole purpose of misleading the public.
We get an alien zapper. Take your pick.
Around their head and shoulders.
Which one do you want?
Aliens are also thick-skinned and may require
Men in Black alien attack. That's the best haunted ride around. Alright, we're in the wizarding world of Harry Potter. This is Diagon Alley. Our first time in here, actually. Because I think last year we walked right by it. Inside the little store here in Diagon Alley. All the crazy neat stuff going on. Look at this gigantic pumpkin head dude. He's impressive. There's another one over there. Alright, that's a wrap. It's late, we're tired. Our feet hurt, and it's about to rain. Look how different people look like 6 hours later. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed a little look inside of Halloween Horror Nights. I'm going to have more videos for you guys, including the ghost tours that we just came off of, St. Augustine, all that stuff. That was Orlando last night. We're together with everyone tonight, so enjoy that video, and I'll get more up for you tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Every once in a while, I'll do some fun videos for you. Nothing to do with reselling, but hopefully you guys have fun with them and enjoy it anyways. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.